Hey there, Snapchat users. Are you facing issues with Snapchat not working properly? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through troubleshooting steps to get Snapchat back up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sometimes clearing the app's cache and data can resolve various Snapchat issues. Give it a try by navigating to your device's settings, finding the Snapchat app, and clearing its cache and data. Once you're done, re-sign in to the app. Step 2. Keeping your Snapchat app updated is essential for optimal performance. Check for any available updates in your device's app store and ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. Updating the app often brings bug fixes and compatibility improvements. Step 3. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat app. This will give you a fresh installation and may resolve any underlying issues that were affecting its functionality. Step 4. In some cases, if none of the previous steps work, it's possible that your device may not be able to handle Snapchat. Check your device's specifications or reach out to Snapchat support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve Snapchat not working issues, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable Snapchat experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.